Pottery looks relaxing until your wheel stalls or the wet clay flies off the spinner and hits the wall. It's hard to tell which machines are actual tools and which are just loud toys. So I bought the top 5 pottery wheels on the market, ranging from kid kits to serious hobby machines, and got my hands dirty testing them to see which one actually lets you make a bowl without the headache. Product number 1, National Geographic Pottery Wheel for Kids. When I unboxed the National Geographic Kids Wheel, I noticed the plastic felt sturdy, not brittle. The coolest part is the integrated arm tool. Centering clay is the hardest part for beginners, but this arm literally holds the clay in place for you. I plugged it in, and the 2-speed motor had enough torque to handle the air-dry clay without bogging down when I pressed on it. The kit comes with everything, apron, paints, and tools, so I didn't have to buy anything extra. The instructions were surprisingly clear, with video links that actually helped me shape a small pot. It's definitely designed for smaller hands, but it works. If you have a child who gets frustrated easily, this arm system makes it much more forgiving and fun to use right out of the box. Product number 2, Tinging Yuli Pottery Wheel for Kids. Moving to the Tinging Yuli kit, this one feels very much like a classic toy set. It's lightweight and colorful. The sheer amount of accessories is great. I counted 3 packs of clay and 12 paints, so the creative part starts immediately. However, the motor is a bit gentler. When I applied too much pressure during the shaping phase, it slowed down a bit, so you have to be gentle. It's fantastic for developing fine motor skills because it forces you to be delicate. The yellow and cyan colors are fun, and it cleans up okay, though the basin is a bit shallow. This isn't for making professional mugs, but if you need a fun, all-inclusive gift for an 8-year-old's birthday party to keep them entertained for an afternoon, this fits the bill perfectly. Product number 3, National Geographic Hobby Pottery Wheel Kit. Then I stepped up to the National Geographic Hobby Wheel and the difference was instant. This has an 8-inch wheel and feels like a real piece of equipment. The variable speed motor is powerful. I threw a larger chunk of clay on it and it kept spinning smoothly even when I leaned into it. The articulating arm is here too, but it's bigger and more robust. I loved that it runs quietly, about 60 decibels, so it didn't sound like a blender running in my studio. The 2-way rotation switch is a nice touch if you're left-handed. It handles like a bridge between a toy and a professional studio wheel. If you are a teen or an adult actually wanting to learn the craft seriously without spending hundreds on a pro machine, this is the one to grab. Product number 4, Pottery Wheel for Adults Black. I also tested this compact black model, often sold as a mini wheel. The design is super clever. It folds up into a tidy box that looks good on a shelf. The 6-inch metal turntable felt cold and solid, much better than plastic spinners. I really appreciated the detachable water tray. When I was done, I just unclipped it and washed the mud off in the sink without dragging the whole machine around. The speed is adjustable, and it held its own with 2 pounds of clay. It's small, so you aren't making giant vases, but for mugs and small bowls, it's perfect. It also runs off a DC cable, keeping things safe. If you have limited space in an apartment but want a sleek, functional wheel that tucks away easily, this is your best bet. Product number 5, Pottery Wheel for Kids and Adults, Red. Finally, I tried this red model that's marketed for both kids and adults. It's similar to the black one but feels a bit more geared towards gifting. It comes with bats. Those are the plates you put on the wheel, which made removing my finished pot way easier without squishing it. The 6-inch metal plate is sturdy, and the adjustable speed dial gave me good control during the trimming process. I like that the basin is fully removable, which saved me a mess. It's quiet too. The kit includes absolutely everything, even a sponge stick, which helped smooth out the inside of my pots. It's a great middle ground option. If you want a solid starter kit that feels less like a toy than the first 2 but isn't as expensive as the Pro Hobby Wheel, this is a great value pick. Whether you're looking to keep the kids busy or start a serious new hobby yourself, one of these wheels will get you spinning. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, go make something messy, and I'll see you in the next video.